Hey, good morning, everybody, from the Igloo Roofing Weather Center, also known as my house. Yeah, I mentioned severe weather in the little tease there, so we'll be talking about that. Still have the cold going on, but I think we're almost through this. I might not even get a nap today, which is kind of a drag. But looking outside, speaking of drag, I like the clouds. I know a lot of people don't, and it looks like we're going to stick with them for today. We had some mist falling yesterday. Again, low rain chances today, about 10%. It just looks like we'd see, again, some mist or drizzle out there. Nothing really crazy going on. But it is 60 degrees. We have kind of been just staying similar through the night into the afternoon with 60s, upper 50s. It's not moving much because when you're socked in with clouds like this and you don't have what we call temperature advection in the low levels, you're just not going to get a lot of change here. So temperatures outside right now from about 59 to 62 from Winfield to Opelousas. Not a big change. You're not going to notice a big change. Say you're driving from Lafayette to Shreveport or something like that. And that upper level system that teased us with all that rainfall and brought a little bit to the area is well off to the southeast right now. That system continues to kind of meander around the Gulf of Mexico. That could bring us a couple of sprinkles today, and then a cold front's coming in tomorrow, and that could actually bring us a few showers. Nothing crazy, though. So we're not looking at big rainfall totals with that. But again, we're kind of looking ahead to that next big system that's coming in. As I said, today is just a cloudy one. If we get a peek of the sun, I think we get up to around 70. So highs in the upper 60s here. It looks like we're going to maybe see upper 60s to near 70. Sorry, I think I have a street sweeper or something going on out there. You can't hear it. It's fine. Just keeps distracting me because I'm like, oh, cool, something different out there. But it is going to be cloudy today. Let's talk about the weather. Upper 60s to near 70, and future temperatures again showing not much movement. We get close to 70 today. We fall back close to 60 tonight. We just kind of rehash where we've been here over the last several days. Clouds are going to blanket the area. That insulates us at night. That allows us to stay cooler during the day. But it's basically above normal temps at night and then slightly below during the day. So looking at futurecast, the next couple of days, not much to talk about. We have a couple of sprinkles today, again, 10%, nothing really crazy there. But then tomorrow you start to see some greens pop in here. And as that cold front works through the area, I think we'll see a smattering of showers. It's not going to be heavy. It's not going to be anything that's going to do anything to this drought, but we are going to see at least a few sprinkles out there. Maybe some isolated tenth of an inch totals out of that, but that would be pretty much stretching it from what I'm seeing. So I want to go out a little further here and show you futurecast. This is the Barron model that goes out 4 days. And this is going to show you the level of system we're going to be dealing with here. So, don't pay attention to specifics. There goes your front with the rainfall. Clears us out. We see some sunshine, but then look at that thing, that big pinwheeling mass with snow in the mountains out in Wyoming and Colorado. Big temperature change there between that and that area to the east where we actually have a lot of moisture coming up here from the southwest. That is going to, that added moisture is going to give more fuel for at least some instability, not a lot of instability, but I think enough with a system that's going to be very strong that we could see that severe weather. So this is Monday around 10 a.m. Some scattered showers are possible by then. I think we're going to hold off until the afternoon and evening, maybe even into the overnight hours. That's when our best chance for thunderstorms comes and any chance for severe weather. And speaking of that, SPC, Storm Prediction Center, now has us highlighted in our first severe outlook. I'm thinking since June when we had all the crazy hail. I don't remember one since then. So a 15% risk for severe weather, pretty much encompassing the entire area. This is 5 days out. So this is going to be, or actually, what is today? Thursday. It's the day 5 outlook. So Thursday, Friday. Okay, it's 4 days from now. But it's 5 days if you count today as day 1. There you go. That's a little weather speak for you. But to see this at 5 days out, it's something that kind of piques my interest and makes me look and check things a little bit further. And what I see is low instability, very strong forcing, and that potential for some thunderstorms that could become severe. Doesn't look like this would be a big hail producer or anything, but it's something that we're going to be watching for some gusty wind events, and we'll talk about more on the details as it gets closer. Hopefully this fades and we just get into the rain, because that's what we need. We don't need that severe stuff. And this doesn't, unfortunately, look like a big rain event here. half an inch to an inch, maybe. These totals might be a little generous. It's just going to be a line of storms moving through. So it's going to be a quick hitter. It's not going to be a gentle soaking rain that's going to last for 24 hours or something like that. So all around, pretty not good news. Looking into the future, though, rain chances at 60% on Monday. So it is going to be, it looks like a decent coverage on this. I think, if we continue to see the trends we're seeing now, it looks like low-ish amounts. Again, a half an inch, 3/4 of an inch on Monday. But that chance for severe weather, the Tuesday chance is going to be early in the day. I think that's going to mainly be Monday night. And Sunday, it's possible we see stuff, right before midnight there, but that's going to be something that's going to be more Sunday night into Monday night. That's our best chance to see storms. That first cold front comes through and we cool off for the weekend just a little bit. Look at the daytime highs, only about 70, 69 degrees. But Sunday morning, it's going to be quite chilly as drier air filters in. And then we get into the middle of next week, and that other cold front has come through. And look at that. Wednesday morning, mid to upper 30s, a high near 60. And I think we carry that right into Thanksgiving. We don't graphically go there yet. That's tomorrow, so we don't have to commit to anything. But I'm thinking highs around 60, rain chances zeroed out, and those morning lows to start in the mid to upper 30s. But let's go ahead and take a look at what we have coming up beyond that. This goes from Thanksgiving through the end of the month, and generally, it looks like below normal temperatures and probably near normal precipitation. That means we could see a system roll through here. In the cool air, no snow in the forecast, though I am looking out into like the 45-day extended ensembles. This is how my brain works. I look at like chances for snow that pop in on the ensembles like 40 days out. It won't happen most likely, but it's just fun for me to finally see those little crazy runs happen. But it looks like some cooler air over the eastern 3/4 of the country, and that means we are going to have a nice, snuggly Thanksgiving. I think that's all I have for today. I'll be looking at that severe stuff. I'll write stuff up on this one because this is actually a potentially significant event. So look for that this afternoon as I get the morning models in, and we can talk about this a little bit further. But that's it for today. I'll see you back here tomorrow. Tom will be on later this afternoon or evening. See you then.